Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add numbering to a table in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with a table. Now I add numbering to a table. Now I add numbering to in this table. Now select first column to add numbering. Now drag on your mouse to select this column. Now go to bullet list menu, sorry, numbered list menu. Just press this drop down menu and choose this first one. Now you can see just 111, no continuing the numbering. Now select this second cell, then drag on your mouse to up to down on this table. Now right click on this selected cell. Now right click on the selected cell and you can see here are continue previous numbering option. Just press it. Now you can see I add numbering to a table in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.